In this video, we explain the process of entering prices at Profiles and Accessories in ELVIAL Pro. Prices are entered by selecting Estimation Data. We select to calculate accessories packages if we like. We also select to automatically calculate the optimized profile wastage if we like. For coating, we select the profile weight as the basis for charging. Prices per colour category can be entered either manually by double-clicking on each category and typing in the price, or in bulk from an Excel file using the Import option. Finally, we must not forget to correct VAT. By clicking Next, we move on to the window for discounts and rates. At the top right corner of the window are Locate the Profile categories with no colour.
Here we must enter the price per kilogram for each category, according to the price list profile that is available on ELVIAL portal.
On the portal page, select Financial Data, then Price List. And select the Profile price list.
The profile categories, along with their prices, appear on our screen by clicking Search, while we can also download them in Excel format. For each category in the list, we search for the category name in the profile directory. The price per kilogram of no colour is listed in the No Colour column. For example, for the NIGB category, the price per kilogram of no colour is €11.25. So we enter the value into the program by double-clicking on the corresponding line. We follow the same procedure for all profile categories. In the Not Categorized Profiles category, we can leave the value at 0. If our no colour profile is charged at base price, LME, then we follow the following procedure. We enter the price from the base price column of the catalogue into the LME surcharge of the program. And as the price per kilogram for each profile category, we enter the values from the MU column. On the left side of the window, you will find the category for ELVIAL Accessories. Here we need to define the percentage discount we have for each accessory category. The discount rate for each category can be found again on the ELVIAL portal. In the Price List section by selecting Max Price. Select a category and subcategory, for example, Category 2 and Subcategory 22. By clicking Search, the article numbers belonging to this category appear on our screen, along with the discount percent. We can also optionally export the list in Excel format. Returning to the program, we enter our discount for each category of accessories. Right-click and select Edit Discounts, and enter the percentage in the discount field. We can also select multiple categories. And change the discount simultaneously on all. Please note, it is important to remember that the categories Accessories without discount and Not from ELVIAL are not eligible for discounts. Therefore, in these two categories, the discount must remain at 0. This is how we complete the process of entering prices into ELVIAL Pro. Please note that program prices must be checked and updated regularly to reflect your actual charges. Thank you very much for watching this video.